How come the shooting lasted almost half a day, kalahating araw, until all but one of the trapped SAF men was killed? Bakit ganon katagal yun?
Alam po niyo, both sides, yung MILF at saka yung SAP, yung armas po nila malalakas eh. Kahit na po yung halimbawa yung boksingero po, mahirap din paghiwalayin yun. At saka yung
Sabihin ho ninyo yan sa pamilya ng 44 Pilipinong namatay.
Yun na nga ho, mahirap po. Sinasabi ko lang po ang katotohanan.
Next
na
question.
talaga mahirap paghiwalayin pag nandoon na in fairness to the
If I
CCS.
want your opinion, I'll ask for it, or I'll give it to you. Next, there were rumors that the dead were robbed of all their possessions. If so, who committed the robbery?
Well,
Remember, I have a video.
we are conducting official investigation on the part of the MILF and then I cannot disclose
All right,
any.
if you're in good faith. Next question. Is MILF willing to surrender the rogue leaders who led what appeared to be a carnage and join the government in chasing down Usman and other terrorist suspects? Tutulong ho ba kayo sa gobyerno?